Okay, first things first, this puzzle just looks so incredible. Alright, let's try out some first turns. Whoa. Okay, this puzzle actually turns really good. It's pretty smooth, it's fast, and magnet strength isn't too, like, bothersome during, like, a solve. You don't really notice it too much. Okay, this is pretty good turning. Okay, the next thing I want to test out is corner cutting, so this might get a little bit weird. First, let's do barely anything. Okay, that was pretty smooth. Okay, that was a bit less smooth. Oh, I think we found where it stops. Oh! Yeah, hard corner cuts. Okay, so is that from a little bit closer? Okay, that was from around here, around whatever this degree is. If anyone knows in the comments, please let me know in the comments below whatever this degree is. It seems to corner cut from around. And next, let's test out some reverse corner cutting. So let's start from barely anything. Ooh. Oh, okay. You see that? Okay, reverse corner cutting just does not exist on this puzzle. Okay, so no real reverse corner cutting. Yeah, no reverse corner. Now I want to test the magnet strength real quick, so let's see what this looks like. So, barely nudge. Okay, so it seems to attract from around there. So if anyone knows what that is, if that's strong or not, I don't think it is, but I'm not really a good judge. Let me know in the comments below as well. Okay, so I want to clear up a few things real quick. So I've heard of popping issues and core stripping issues. I haven't encountered those for my first turns, but if I do, I'll make a part 2 explaining those problems. Two more things I want to clear up before I end the video. This is a bottle of FZCOM Lube, and I'm probably going to use this because the turning is really fast, just to help calm down things a little, pun intended, and keep this turning really smooth. And also, in the box, there's some instructions and some springs, stronger springs, I believe, in case you want to swap those out. Yeah. I'm a bit of a noob to FTO, but I highly recommend this puzzle because the turning is phenomenal, the solve is incredible, and it's such a unique puzzle compared to literally any other WCA event. So I highly recommend it. I bought mine off the Cubicle, not sponsored, for around $17. You can probably get it from most Keep stores, however, so please get yours today. And hashtag FTO for WCA. This puzzle is incredible.